Thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be doing a review of my new Small Saves t-shirt. I've opened up the bag and I see Small Saves. The logo was printed on a size extra large Portland Company t-shirt. And now the unveiling of the Small Saves t-shirt design. Amazon did a really nice job. I've been in the t-shirt business for over 30 years, and between silk screening, heat pressing, and whatnot, I've kind of seen it all, and they did a really nice job. Very impressed. I'm bringing the camera closer so everyone can get a good look at the design. Very happy with the way it turned out. Um, if you would like to get this shirt, please come to my website at smallsaves.com. There, not only will you see the shirts and the books that I have of Small Saves, but you get to see his weekly cartoon. Have a few laughs for the day. Thank you so much for visiting.